break into someone's house.
Oh my god, she got her hand through that shit.
Yeah. But she's not gonna be able to open it. Oh, I guess she is.
She gets inside. Then she tries to fix the screen so that they don't notice that she broke inside.
I'm confused as fuck.
I don't know, but I see the cat in the back.
Los Angeles, California. Can't have Halloween lights outside anymore.
Nah.
That's crazy, bro. There's no fucking way. Oh, fuck.
Dallas, Texas. This guy breaks into someone's house.
What's us?
Oh, he got in.
He closes the door and then comes back later to finish the robbery.